Madhuri Dixit. The evergreen beauty of Bollywood is the doting judge of the dance reality show, Dance Diwani. The actress is charging a hefty amount of 90 lakhs to 2 crores per episode. Shilpa Shetty. The gorgeous beauty of Bollywood is on the judges panel of Super Dance since its beginning. Shilpa Shetty charges a hefty amount of 18 to 20 lakhs per episode to judge the show. Neha Kakkar. Neha, who was one of the contestants of Indian Idol, is now on the judges panel of the show. Neha Kakkar charges around 5 lakhs per episode to judge the Indian Idol. Neha Dhupia. The only female gang leader that Roadies has is Neha Dhupia, who has even managed to win the show 2 times. Neha Dhupia charges a hefty amount of 8 to 9 lakhs per episode of Roadies. Ranvijay Singh. The man who is behind the reality show Roadies is none other than Ranvijay Singh, who won the first season of the show. Ranvijay Singh is currently charging a hefty amount of 12 lakhs rupees per episode. Geeta Kapoor. Geeta Kapoor, who is known predominantly as Geeta Ma, is on the judges panel of Super Dancer. This choreographer charges around 12 to 15 lakhs to shoot just an episode of the show. Anurag Basu. The filmmaker of the Bollywood, Anurag Basu, is one of the 3 judges of Super Dancer. This director takes home around 10 to 12 lakhs after shooting every episode. Dharmesh Yelandi. He is one of the known choreographers of Bollywood industry and he is the current judge of Dance Diwani. Dharmesh charges a whopping amount of 6 to 8 lakhs per episode. Raghav Juyal. He is not a judge of Dance Diwani. Currently, he is hosting the show and entertains everyone. Raghav is reported to be charging 3 to 5 lakhs per episode. Himesh Reshammiya. One of the most popular music directors of Bollywood industry, Himesh is a judge of Indian Idol. Himesh Reshammiya take home around 4 lakh rupees per episode of Indian Idol. Prince Narula. Prince has been a winner of the reality show Roadies and is now a gang leader too. Prince, who is known as the undisputed king of reality show, charges 8 lakhs per episode. Raftaar. He is one of the most popular rappers that Bollywood industry have currently and is also a gang leader of Roadies. He charges around 5.5 lakhs per episode to be at the stunt-based show Roadies. Vishal Dadlani. The music composer of Bollywood industry is one of the amazing judges of Indian Idol. This powerful performer demands around 5 lakh rupees per episode. Tushar Kalia. He has been on the judges panel since the beginning of Dance Diwani and he has retained his seat of judge this season too. Tushar is currently charging 10 to 11 lakhs per episode of the show. Nikhil Chinnappa. Nikhil Chinnappa has been associated with MTV channel for several years now and is one of the gang leaders in Roadies. As per sources, Nikhil charges around 9 lakhs per episodes.